Hello everyone, today we are going to see how bright a 100 watt LED glows. So this is the 100 watt white high cool bead LED light. This is a SMD LED light. These are all SMD LEDs. So there are two terminals, positive and negative. Both the side we can connect, but we will be using one side at a time. So this is the back side. I have applied some heat compound. So this is the heat compound. In order to run this LED light, we need a big size aluminum piece. This is used as heat exchanger with a cooling exhaust fan. This I have purchased from a local computer shop. This exhaust is used for processors to eliminate the heat. So I will be fixing this LED here. Along with this, we need either a DC power supply or batteries. You can use a 12 volt battery, but for testing purpose I am using a DC power supply. This LED light can be used for making one chargeable light. So now I will be connecting this LED light to the heat sink. Then we can test this LED light. I am going to fix the LED light now. We should align this first to match all the three screws. So it is fixed now. Don't apply too much of pressure. This may damage the LED. Just check whether it is fixed properly. So we'll be testing this. So the size of this LED is 75 mm, approximately 3 inches. So the positive wire is connected to the red and the negative is connected to the black. Same for the fan also, processor fan. You can link both the wires. This black wire is connected to the fan. Red will be connected here. So I have to solder this. So there are 4 wires in the fan. We'll be using only 2, the black and the red. This is for power supply. These two fans are for monitoring. These 2 wires are for monitoring the temperature of the processor. Based on that, this fan will be running. When the temperature increases, this will be running, but for our application this is not required. So we can test it now. I'll be connecting this to the power supply. So we have connected to the power supply now. I'll be increasing the voltage slowly. So we will check at what voltage the LED starts glowing. The fan has started. So as you can see, the SMD lights are glowing. About 60% of the lights are started. It is taking 0.24 amps. So the voltage is 8.3 volt. So the voltage is set to 10 volts. It is taking 1.49 amps. Let me turn off the light. This is the brightness we are getting from this LED. This can be easily used as a flashlight. So this is the back side of the LED light. The process of the fan is running. It is taking 1.49 amps. It is better to use a light diffuser when we are running this, so it will not affect our eyes, human eye. The brightness of this light is very high, so I recommend to use a diffuser for this. The temperature of the light is not increasing, it is very low. It is because of the heat sink which we have used here. The bigger size we use, the better performance we will be getting from the LED light. And please try to use a heating compound. Try to apply a heating compound. So the temperature will be absorbed by the heating compound. The cost of this heating compound is 20 rupees. Coming to the cost, the LED light costed me around 350 rupees and fan costed 600 rupees. So the overall cost for this will be around 800 to 900 rupees. So the positive wire from the power supply is given to the red, that is the positive of fan and the LED light, and the negative wire from the power supply is connected to the black, negative of LED and the fan. Thank you friends, subscribe for more videos.